Hey, hi there. My name is John. I'm from the USA. How are you today?
Hi, John. I'm Emma. Nice to meet you. I'm good, just a little tired. How about you?
I'm doing well, thanks. The weather is nice today, so I feel happy. So, Emma, can I ask you something?
Sure, go ahead.
What do you do?
Oh, I'm a student.
A student? That's nice. What do you study?
I study computer science. I'm in college right now. What about you? What do you do?
I work part-time, but actually, I'm also a student.
Really? That's cool. What are you studying?
I'm learning English teaching and communication. I study online.
Oh, wow. Online study is very popular now.
Yes, it is. So, Emma, are you a full-time student?
Yes, I go to college during the day. Sometimes it's hard, sometimes it's fun.
Yes, I understand. Student life is not easy.
True. I wake up early, I attend classes, I do homework, and I drink a lot of coffee.
How would you say it in English? Same here. Coffee is a student's best friend.
Exactly. So when someone asks you, "What do you do?" you can say,
I'm a student. Very simple.
"Yes." You don't need big words, just say it clearly.
Right. For example, I'm a college student, or I'm a university student.
Or you can say, "I'm a student and I study online."
Good one. Emma, do you work too?
Mm, not now, but I want to work part-time next year.
That's great. Many students do that.
Yes, it helps with experience and money.
True. So, guys, looks at the camera. Let's practice together.
Yes, your turn.
I ask, what do you do? You say,
I'm a student.
very good. Say it again, slowly.
I'm a student.
Perfect. You're doing great.
Don't be shy. Everyone starts somewhere.
Yes, we were beginners too.
And now we're learning every day.
So remember, simple English is good English.
Exactly. Speak slowly. Speak clearly.
And don't be afraid of mistakes.
Mistakes help you learn.
All right, Emma, I had a nice talk with you.
Me too, John. It was fun.
So, friends, see you in the next lesson.
Nye, keep practicing English every day.